Opposition leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa has expressed deep concern over the lack of effective leadership in the country. Sabina mashoka tuna Nelson Chamisa aiwa anoyachita mnyika Zimbabwe mna effective leadership. Don't subscribe like on the bell icon. Ano poster picture aiwa re bullet train in Japan onyora achiti. In his public transport, the presence of bullet trains represents a significant leap in transportation infrastructure. These photographs showcases a train journey from Osaka to Tokyo in Japan. It is truly disheartening to witness the missed opportunities and squandered advantages that have hindered our progress. Public transportation should embody a delightful and dignified experience. It must guarantee safety, affordability, efficiency, and simplicity. Whenever I travel to different nations, I am reminded of the natural beauty of Zimbabwe and the untapped potential we possess. We possess all the necessary components for the success. We are equipped with everything essential to solve and prosper, bearing one crucial element: effective leadership. #new dawn, #for everyone. Mashokanto kana Nelson Chamisa chiti aiwa nyika Zimbabwe ma resources asset nawo anoita kuti prosperous zviita na Japan awo, but tikuleka chino one chinonzi effective leadership ndo chiri kuhinda progress kana success nyika Zimbabwe. Tudze mafundo enyu kuti kudipa musoro mashoko ake pina comment section medu, saka no subscribe kuleka, turn on the bell icon.